Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Lubuntu 25.10 on VMware workstation. Okay, first go to Lubuntu official website and download. It is lubuntu.me. Then click on downloads. See here we have the 25.10. For 24.04.3 you can search for my YouTube channel how to install on VMware workstation. Then click on desktop 64-bit. Wait a moment. See, download started. Go to download. See here, its size is about 3.2 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because see here, I have already downloaded Lubuntu 25.10 desktop ISO image. Now open VMware workstation. Then click on create a new virtual machine or go to file and select new virtual machine. Both are same. Then select the installer disk image file. Then go to downloads directory. See here we have the Lubuntu 25.10, select it, then click on next, then select Linux, then select version as Ubuntu 64-bit, then click on next, then provide the name. This is just virtual machine name. Then select the location to store this virtual machine files and folders by clicking on this browse button. Then select the path where you have the enough space to store this virtual machine files and folders. Click on next. Now provide the virtual hard disk size. I am giving 50 gigabytes. Then click on next. See, this is the virtual machine summary. If you want to modify any one of these settings, then click on customize hardware. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, click on edit virtual machine settings, or select from this list and click on VM and select settings, or right click and select settings. All three options are same. If you want to provide description for this virtual machine, you can provide here. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on power on this virtual machine. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is try or install Lubuntu. Hit enter. If cursor is grayed out, just press Alt Ctrl to release the cursor. Now select the language from this list. I am going to select English, United States, internet connection. Then see here, try Lubuntu. It is like run live environment. Okay, this is just for testing purpose. If you want to install permanently, click on install Lubuntu. I am going to install it permanently, so click on install Lubuntu. Then select the language from this list, and also see here Lubuntu 25.10 testing quicker. Okay, then click on next. Now select the location or time zone. Now select the location. This will be the time zone. Okay, you can select on the globe, or you can select from this region and zone. Okay, I'm going. Then click on next. Keyboard model, I'm going with the defaults. Click on next. Now see here installation modes. See here. Now see here installation modes: full installation, normal installation, minimal installation. If you select full installation, these options will be selected. See, those are selected and grayed out. If you select normal, optionally we can select these options. Minimal, those won't be available. I'm going to select normal. Then optionally you can select whatever you want. Then additional options: download and install updates following installation. If you want, you can select. Otherwise, click on next. Now select the erase disk because this is a fresh installation. Then click on next. Now create or set up user. I am giving user full name as R2 Schools. Then this is the username. Then computer name or host name. Later also you can change this computer name. Then set the password for this user. Confirm the same. Then use Active Directory if you have existing. You select it, then you have to provide all these details. I don't have, so unselect it and click on next. See, this is the virtual machine summary of the options that I have selected. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on install. This is confirmation. Click on install now. See, installation has been started. This will take time. I am going to pause this video. At the end it will ask us to reboot the system. Then we will reboot the system and we will perform the post installation steps. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, Lubuntu has been installed on your computer. Select this, keep this checkbox, that is restart now. Then click on done to restart. Now provide the password. Hit enter. Now open terminal. Now verify the version more/etc ys-release. See here we have installed 25.0 and its code name is questing. Okay, the first step after connecting to Lubuntu 25.10 is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update upset sudo apt upgrade, hit enter, write the password of sudo user, hit enter, type for confirmation. Now verify IP of this machine, ifconfig. See ifconfig not found, but we can get the IP address by running IP-addr. See, this is the IP of the machine. Or to get the IP address by using ifconfig, we have to install this nettools. Sudo apt install net-tools. Hit enter. Now run ifconfig. See, you got the IP address. See here. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Lubuntu 25.10 on VMware workstation. Okay, for more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.